Hey YouTube, it's Brandon Red here with Ramen Noodle Budgets. Now, I apologize to actually just film this after filming the entire review. You will not be able to see my face for the majority of this review. I will talk about it in a sec. I lost my camera battery, so I've only been able to film with my phone for the last two videos, if you guys may have noticed. Also, I'm sorry I'm wearing a hat. I just showered. I didn't want to do my hair because it's like 11 o'clock at night. So, thank you guys so much. Yeah, have fun. Hello YouTube, and I honestly hope you can see me at all because I have lost the camera battery for my camera, and I have not been able to film for about 2 weeks. Now, I know you guys have been waiting for the giveaway winners. I've been getting comments on all of my videos about who won the Mystery Wand giveaway. That'll be at the end of this video, just so everyone knows. I'm so sorry it's 2 weeks late now, but honestly my camera hasn't been working, so I've been having to film with my phone. In today's video, I am showing off one of the awesome things I got at Wizard World Chicago Comic Con while cosplaying Star-Lord, if you guys watched my other videos. And that is the official Newt Scamander Fantastic Beasts case from the first film. It's licensed for the first film, and it's by the brand Elope. Now, if you're into any type of Newt Scamander cosplay like I am, Elope, as you may know, made quite a few items for cosplay-wise for Fantastic Beasts. They made some wands that were quite a bit smaller. I actually saw them at the con this year. They were very skinny and very short, as opposed to the Noble Collection. They made a picket replica that can stick to your clothing, all this really cool stuff, including the jacket as well. But I saw this online a while back and decided not to get it because it wasn't accurate. But when I finally saw it in person, I'm kind of like, I need to have this. I really want this. So the booth I actually got it at was at Chicago Costumes booth, and if you watched my Pennywise video, you know I've bought from them before and I actually got my Pennywise base costume from Chicago Costume. Now, since I know they do awesome things, I asked how much the case was, and it was actually only $99, which you guys might think is crazy, but online these go for like $120 plus, including on Amazon and all these websites. So I was super happy that they had it. And halfway through the convention, I didn't think I was going to buy it. I was like, that's a lot of money. I wanted to buy some other stuff. But we got to the point where we bought so much stuff, we didn't have anything to carry. Like any arms left to carry any of our crap. So I decided, okay, I'm going to go back and buy that case, and we're going to put everything in it. So that is why I bought this case. Now, if you guys follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you may know that I've done Newt Scamander in the past. I actually made a custom suitcase from a vintage 1920s suitcase. And there's a picture of that here. It was super accurate, and I'm actually doing the same thing with another suitcase that is like twice the size of this one, which is, I might do a tutorial about as well. So to start off, yes, this cosplay item is not 100% accurate, and I really didn't care because I kind of wanted a suitcase that was going to be able to be used as a normal suitcase. So the whole suitcase is made of a genuine leather, or not, I'm sorry, a faux leather, I believe. It's a very textured, kind of stylized leather. It's not really how real leather looks, but that's fine. But it's very thick, like it's very durable. I'm pretty sure there might be wood or MDF backing behind these leather pieces. So as you can see, on the corners we have these kind of golden metallic, they're actually metal kind of covers that, like in the film, they don't have. These are actually leather covers folded over with a few different rivets on them, like I did in my other suitcases. What I think I'm going to do is actually modify this case and put the leather covers over it, because I personally think this is the perfect size for this suitcase. I have not measured it out yet to see if it's 100% accurate size-wise. I bet it's a bit smaller, but for me it works perfectly because I don't like carrying really heavy items. Now, one modification I already did do was on these brass locks here, or I think they're made of tin, actually. I did, they were like a really kind of dusty, kind of black color, and if you just take a high-quality sandpaper, like a high grit sandpaper, like 400, and just sand it, it reveals the actual golden kind of look that matches this really well, and you can hit it with some metal buffalizer or whatever, and then it'll look better than, I guess, the ugly color it had before. Now, as you just saw, I thought this was an original defect with the case, and I thought it was cool because if you hit it a little weird, this kind of pops up. But I actually talked to someone in the Newt Scamander Facebook cosplay page, and they said that's intentional, that one of them is supposed to randomly pop open as you walk around. So, honestly, I think it's pretty cool. The case stays open, nothing is flying out when that happens. It's a pretty tight lid seal. I haven't taken the tag off purposely because I want to do this video. So here's the back of the case. And then another thing that is not accurate about this, but is kind of cool, is on the front you do have this Newt Scamander kind of pressed logo. They really put this logo on a lot of merchandise. Like here's the Newt Scamander stationery set, and inside the stationery set is, oh, well, I guess it's not in there. Inside it was his journal that has the logo on it. By the way, this is only $6 at GameStop, guys. It has the journal, a whole bunch of wax steel stuff. It's really cool. I would recommend it. Also, sorry if you hear a lot of background noise. That's my 3D printer printing a Malfoy wand for another video. So now let's open this case. Inside the case, this is actually the main reason I bought it. Ooh, I still have stuff in there. And a shot glass. Inside the case is the gorgeous, actual, like, screen-accurate lining, which is super, super awesome. I actually replicated this in my last two cases. The first time I replicated it, I used fabric transfer sheets and just printed a whole bunch of those out and made a giant sheet and then like ironed it all on and put it in the suitcase, which worked really well. And then for the new suitcase, which I will have another video about, I actually bought at GameStop. They had a Newt Scamander scarf that was this lining, and it was made of a really thin material, and it was 50 cents on sale from $16. So I bought two of those and put it in the lining, or put it in the case as the lining. And I only needed one of those, honestly, but after seeing this, like, this looks so nice, guys. And it's sewn in really nicely, so I don't have to worry about it bunching up or falling apart like my other cases. And inside the case, there's quite a bit of space. Like, I'm actually going to use this for my Disney vacation as my carry-on item, and I'm so excited to use this, guys. So overall, I would say if you are a Newt Scamander cosplayer, this is actually a pretty great piece. I know a lot of people use it. It's pretty new to my knowledge, even though it is sponsored or licensed for the first film. Maybe Elope will come up with a more accurate version for the Crimes of Grindelwald film, which is released in, I think, 2 months. Yeah, it's September almost. Yeah, so 2 months. Yeah, let's get to that giveaway, guys. And we're actually going to use this lovely suitcase as our giveaway prize device. In this suitcase, I have all of the names of the people, of the YouTubers who did everything, liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel for the wand giveaway. Now, inside this case, all 12 are in there.